Hello! First, take 9-ounce strawberries. Add 3/4 cup sugar. And mix well with a blender until smooth. This dessert recipe is incredibly delicious and easy to make. 1 egg yolk. Mix thoroughly. Add 3 tablespoons cornstarch there. Mix well so that there are no lumps. Pour into a saucepan. And put on medium heat. Cook until thickened. Do not forget to always stir so that it does not burn. Let it boil a little. This is the consistency you should get. Pour into a heat-resistant dish. Cover tightly with cling film and set aside until completely cooled. Now we need a blender. Put 7 ounces Oreos in it. And grind it into fine crumbs. Done. This is how fine the crumbs should be. Set it aside for now. Pour 1 cup heavy whipping cream, chilled, into a deep bowl. Beat on high speed until thick. That's how well our cream is whipped. Now we take out the already cooled strawberry mass and also beat it well with a mixer for about 1 minute. Great! Transfer it to the whipped cream. And beat again until smooth. Like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss even more new desserts and no-bake cakes. I will be very grateful to you for that. Our delicate strawberry cream is ready. Now we form our dessert into beautiful dessert bowls. First, a layer of cream. Then a layer of Oreo crumbs. Be sure to try this dessert and write me your impressions in the comments. We decorate the dessert with crumbs on top. You can add strawberries for beauty. Just look how appetizing our dessert looks. It is so delicious. It is so delicate in taste and moderately sweet that you want it again and again. Enjoy it and see you in the next video.